Hey, what's fine guys? I'm Max and I'm back.
I'm back.
I'm back. You've been back enough.
Yeah, I know it's been a while. It's because I was trying to sell my DJI Mavic Air 2, which I did, and then I ordered a DJI Air 2S that I received this week. And it's in this. So we're gonna check what's in the box.
Oh, what's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
And do a quick unboxing for you guys. Then after, I'm gonna do a first flight test with the DJI Air 2S. Check it out after this. All right, let's do it. I have a smaller knife. This time I'm gonna use the Swiss knife. Just, I don't know, it was more practical. So let's open it. Come on. Oh, it's not sharp. It's not sharp at all. Oh well. I should make sure it's sharper for next time. Oh yeah, I ordered it with the SD card. It's a 128 gigabyte SD card, SanDisk. You don't need this. It's gonna go in recycling. Ooh. Whoop! There it is. Beautiful packaging as before. It's a lot similar to the DJI Mavic Air 2 because it's almost the same except for the extra pair of eyes.
And keep an eye out for groundbreaking interactive bonus features.
Okay, let's open the box, but I like to keep the wrapper around it just to protect the box, and it sells better afterwards. So there you go. And here and here. It's almost chirurgical. Surgical.
Surgical.
Chirurgical. Oh well, I'm not a surgeon, but I'm trying to be when I open. Oh, when I open some boxes. And now let's open it. There you go. Keep the wrapper inside the box. Oh, it's padded inside. It's comfy. And yeah, it comes with the, because it's a fly mode combo, so it comes with the, where is it? Ah, this is new. It didn't have the handle on the side on the previous one. The rest is pretty much the same. And there's a bunch of accessories, a quick start guide. We're gonna check it out a little bit later. Oh, let's open the carrying case. There you go. Look at that. So we have the drone with all the stickers we need to remove, of course.
Of course!
And with a battery installed. And there's 2 extra batteries inside there. So we have an accessory box. It's pretty heavy, I'm guessing it's the batteries. We have the controller, the charger plate, that's it. And the rest pretty much the same. We have a zipper and an extra pocket here to, what I use, usually I use it for storing extra propellers and extra wires. Oh, there's a difference here. They added, I don't know, a sew, how do you say it? Couture in French. So they added a section to put some smaller objects. But yeah, I guess it's gonna rip apart very fast, as you can see here. It's holding, but I'm pretty sure this is the kind of things that breaks. Oh well. So the rest is pretty much the same. We have the compartments. This is extras, I mean in this pack. Let's see. Extra batteries, separated by this pad. Another battery, and we have the charger that comes with a USB as the other one was coming with, and the wire. What do we have is, what is this?
is this?
A center for ants?
What? Is it to charge only one battery at a time? Oh, I think so. Yeah, I put it on top like this. And it could charge one battery at a time with an extra accessory like the controller over there. And yeah, the controller is pretty much the same as before. And voila. And it comes with the sticks underneath. Let's open this. Yeah, it comes with the it's it's lightning cable for Apple. I don't use an Apple. I have an Android phone that uses USB-C, so I'm gonna change it for the USB-C cable. That's pretty sure it's inside this. I'm gonna show you what's inside the accessories. So we have a full complete guide in multiple languages. Accessories user guide. So as you can see, we got props are individually packed. It's the first time I see this. Last time they were packed in pairs, if I remember. But we see it's the same as before. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but it got a ring. I'm gonna show you with this camera. It's gonna be too small, but we got a ring on the A props. So orange ring on the A props and no ring at all on B props. So we have the orange lines for the A props with the rings, and no lines at all for the B props without ring. Pretty simple. So as we see, the drone didn't change. We have the positional, what's the name? The positional system that keeps the drone in place. We have some lights. We have some height detection. We have sensors in the back, optical sensors in the front, and 4 optical sensors. This time, 2 are more upwards to when it's flying very fast this way. Well, you can see this way. You can detect objects easier in front, and also it's wider, I think. Yeah, it came with some filters. So it comes with a neat DJI package. There you go, the filters. So we have 8, 4, 16, and 32. Pretty similar to the one from Freewell or other brand. So 4, 8, 16, 32 is okay, but those filters are not even polarized. So it's pretty cool to have this as a base and to practice, but I really like the polarized filters, and that is why I ordered the all day 8-pack Freewell filters. They come polarized. Yeah, they have a bigger range. So we have a ND4 polarized, ND8 polarized, ND16 polarized, ND32 polarized, ND64 polarized. We have a circular polarized linear filter that doesn't block any light. It just adds the polarizer. We have an ND1000 and ND2000 to have cool daylight long exposure shots. So that pretty much sums up the unboxing, and then we're gonna do a first flight test up north of my place, because near Montreal we're not allowed to fly at all because of the airport. So I'm gonna go ride my bike up north with all this, my camera, my drone, and you're gonna follow me with on the ride with the DJI, with the GoPro over there, and yeah. So let's do this. All right, I'm ready to do my bike ride with all my equipment in those 2 bags. So let's go. Hey guys, I just arrived. Man, it was between 25 and 30 kilometers. So it was a long ride. I lost myself at one part in Laval, but I made it. I'm in the field, but the sunset is almost ready. So, and there's a firmware update, of course. So let's do the firmware update and just fly for the first time with the DJI Air 2S. Hopefully it's gonna be good shots. All right, the firmware is done, finally. I'm so happy, so let's fly, first flight. Let's go gentle. Touchdown. Whew. So I hope you like my first adventure with the DJI Air 2S and my bike ride. If you like that kind of stuff, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to watch more of those kind of videos. So see you in the next one. Bye.